Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the AE86 GPS drone from Workday. This drone is packed with features, aiming to be a serious contender for adults looking for a capable aerial photography platform. Right off the bat, the camera is a major highlight. This drone captures stunning 8K photos and records video at 8K resolution at 30 frames per second. It also offers a 5x zoom capability, allowing for closer shots without physically moving the drone. To ensure that high-resolution footage is actually usable, the AE86 is equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal combined with electronic image stabilization, or EIS. This dual stabilization system, along with potent brushless motors, is designed to provide rock-solid flight stability, which translates directly into smoother, more stable images and videos, opening up a world of creative possibilities for the pilot. One of the biggest concerns with drones is often flight time. The AE86 addresses this by including 2 upgraded batteries right in the box. Each battery is rated to provide approximately 48 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. This means users can expect a potential maximum flight time of up to 96 minutes by swapping batteries, significantly increasing the time available for capturing footage or simply enjoying the flight. It's worth noting, as the manufacturer points out, that aggressive maneuvers like frequent flips or rapid altitude changes will naturally reduce the actual flight time per battery. The build quality and flight performance are also emphasized, with built-in 1806 brushless motors and strong arms supporting the 3-axis gimbal. The AE86 is stated to resist winds up to level 7. This level of wind resistance suggests a more reliable and steady flight experience, even in less than perfect conditions. The brushless motors also contribute to a quieter operation compared to brushed alternatives. The drone's ability to hover steadily in place is a key feature for photography and videography, allowing the pilot to frame shots precisely without worrying about the drone drifting. Safety and ease of use are also central to the AE86 design. Equipped with GPS, the drone features automatic return-to-home functions. It will automatically initiate a return if the battery gets low or if the signal is lost. Additionally, the pilot can manually activate a one-key return feature. These safety nets provide peace of mind, significantly reducing the risk of losing the drone during flight. The drone is also listed as FAA compliant, which is important for operating in many regions. Other notable features include an airdrop function and 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, adding layers of capability and safety. The transmission range is claimed to be up to 20,000 feet, allowing for extensive exploration. For those new to flying or new to this specific model, the recommendation is to take the first flight indoors or in an open space without wind, as outdoor conditions can affect performance. The company also backs the product with 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and refund services, which is reassuring for potential buyers. Overall, the AE86 presents itself as a feature-rich drone with impressive camera specs, extended flight time, and robust safety features, aiming to provide a high-quality aerial experience for adults.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.